Hi guys, so we're gonna be doing a video about we're just going to open eggs. So mythic egg. It was released like a couple of my cousin. Okay, so we're going to open the eggs, mythic egg. So we're trying to get this. So like this one I have, we're trying to get a gold horn. I need a spoon, attack. So we're trying to get that. Or this beautiful phoenix. This. Where is it? Where is it, Julian? I don't see it. It's supposed to be like, it's like phoenix. I don't know if y'all know what a phoenix is, but it's like reddish. So, let's do some quests. Mine needs to drink and take a nap. I'm in the school. I'm in the school. Come on. Because I'm making a sleep and drink. There's food here and there's a sleepy thing. Teleport to me. Cool. Now, oh, mine needs to drink again. Mine needs to drink with water. Drinking with water. Let's go. Okay. So I'm just gonna stay right here. Why is my egg stuck to the guy? Okay, let's do this. Okay. Is that a mega neon? Yo, look at this tiger. Sheesh, look at that unicorn though. Is that neon? Oh, I like that cow though. The cow is very rare. Oh no, a trade. Sorry. Can't trade right now. Making with my cousin with. Okay, let's go. My thing needs a shower. Okay, just teleport to me. Okay. Okay, so I'm showering. I need one more quest. I think the next one is a playground. Sheesh, look at these purple crystals, bro. Like, sheesh. Okay. Where's the body built? Oh, it's right to school. Oh yeah. Don't go in yet. Don't go in yet. Wait, let me pick it up. Okay. Okay, mine is. What are you? Well, I wonder what you're gonna get. I hope. Oh, it's hungry. I'm gonna do the hungry one. It'll be more faster. But I'm gonna get more content by waiting. Let's see what we get. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay, close your eyes too. I wanna see who. Okay, open.
Oh, we need one more quest. I need to eat. It needs to eat.
Oh yeah, I need to eat too. What? They took it away.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for your next quest. Should I just open one? Come on, bro, your task. I'm gonna put my mythic egg to eat. I might get a Whoople-Tinger. What if I get a Whoople-Tinger? What if I get a ride? What if I get a gold horn? Nah. No, I traded at least.
I didn't.
Yes, I did.
I gave it to you. Remember for the trade scanner?
No, because you remember I offered.
Yeah, you offered that trade.
Dang. Okay, I'm gonna put my thing to eat.
It's almost here. Close your eyes. Close your. You don't got nothing. Oh, I think you need a jump back. Let's see. Just wait. Opposed. Like a little bit. No. Good. Huh? Then you better hurry up. This egg is so fast. Oh, bro, it better be nighttime already. It better. Look, let me talk to the egg. It's a nice one. You get anything yet? No! Just open it!
Let's see if it's nighttime. It's still daytime. When is it gonna be freaking nighttime? Someone hatched their egg.
I did!
Wait, how? Bruh. You got a mirror horse.
Yes, I did.
You're so lucky. That's better.
I think it's better. I think it's better.
Okay, so that's the end of the video, guys. So like, see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.
Leland out.